Looking for a way to boost your mood tremendously? Well, I got you covered. I have 7 mood boosting foods that you're going to want to eat. Check it out. Number 1 on that mood boosting list is chocolate. That is right. Science actually backs it up that chocolate makes you feel happy all over the place. That is right. 1.4 ounces of dark chocolate every day for 2 weeks reduce the levels of cortisol and other stress hormones found in individuals. Experts say it could be related to the high levels of antioxidants that's found in dark chocolate. So you're going to want to get yourself a bar of dark chocolate and really feel good. Number 2 on our mood boosting list is salmon. Salmon has been shown and proven to help lower anxiety and depression. Experts say it's because of the amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which is a key mood-boosting nutrient, one that our bodies do not produce. Omega-3s alter brain chemicals linked with mood, specifically dopamine and serotonin. In one randomized controlled study, medical students who took omega-3 supplements before an exam reduced their anxiety symptoms by as much as 20%. Having a bad day? Well, number 3 on our list is green tea. Green tea has been shown and proven to help soothe your senses and calm your nerves when you're not feeling so well. Make green tea and you'll feel so much better. According to a Japanese study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day was linked to reduced depression symptoms, especially in elderly people. That may be due to the high amounts of mood-boosting nutrients found in green tea. Green tea also has some caffeine, which is enough for a pick-me-up when you're feeling down, but not enough to give you the jitters. Number 4 on our list of mood-boosting foods is oysters. Oysters are extremely high in zinc, a nutrient that helps ease anxiety. Zinc also helps improve sleep quality, essential for staying on an even keel. Bonus, once you get the hang of eating oysters, it can be fun and an instant mood lifter in itself. So grab yourself a plate of oysters if you want to feel much better. Number 5 on our list of mood boosting foods is blueberries. Blueberries are the king and queen of antioxidants more than any other fruit or vegetable. Blueberries deliver a bushel of brain boosting benefits. Thanks mostly to a type of antioxidant called flavonoids, blueberries help regulate mood, improve memory, and protect the brain from aging. And some experts say it may even do more than just that. One recent animal study suggests that the anti-inflammatory chemicals in blueberries may be helpful in treating PTSD and other serious mental health problems. Number 6 on our list is leafy green vegetables. What can't you say about leafy green vegetables? It's the superhero of healthy foods. Many Americans especially do not get enough magnesium, which is a mineral that among other things helps reduce anxiety. And don't get it twisted, leafy green vegetables contain more vitamin C than most fruits. Number 7 on our mood boosting list is probiotics, and that includes yogurt, sauerkraut, kombucha. Were you aware that your gut was your second brain? Taking care of your healthy gut bacteria is going to make you feel better. That incorporates a better mood, less stress and anxiety, as well as lowering the risk of depression. So take care of your gut and your brain will feel better.